Good morning, students of class 7. Today, now I am going to discuss mathematics exercise 6b of the chapter algebraic expressions. On the previous class, we have learned question number 1 to question number 13. So today, we will learn from question number 14 to question number 21. Okay, question number 14 to question number 21. So let's see first question number 14. Now I am going to show the question. Question number 14. Here question tells that in bracket minus 3 by 5 a square t into in another bracket 15 by 7 15 by 7 h t square u and another bracket here write 7 by 9 s u square. Okay, so first of all you have to copy the question carefully. Minus 3 by 5 s square t into 15 by 7 s t square u into 7 by 9 s u square. Copy this question first. Now give equal sign. All types of number write side by side. So here minus 3 by 5 multiply 15 by 7 multiply 7 by 9, and outside you can write here s square into s square into s into s. So the variable s write side by side, then write variable t into t square, then write the variable u. So u into u square. Okay. Like this you have to be right. Now here the number you have to be calculate. You can see that here 7 and 7 will be cancelled, 5 and 15 will be cancelled, write 3. These 3 also cancelled by and write this one, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and these 3 and these 3 also cutting, it will be minus 1. So the answer here write equal sign minus 1 into, look at here students, you can see a square into s into s, that means it will be s to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1. into t into t square means you write t to the power 1 plus 2 into u into u square means you write u to the power 1 plus 2 by exponential formula. Okay, so write minus 1 into s to the power 2 plus 1 means s to the power 4 into this will be t to the power 3 into u to the power 3. That means minus 1 no need to write, so write minus s4 tq uq. Clear? So this is the required answer, minus s to the power 4 tq uq. So in this procedure we have to be solved. Here question number 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, yourself same type of question, hope that you can do yourself. Now I am going to erase this. Now see the next question. So in this way, question number 14, 15, 16, 17, do yourself. Question number 18, now I am going to show. Look at question number 18 and question number 19, both are the same type of question. So I am going to show question number 18. Here question number 18 tells that multiply minus 2 by 3 a square b by 6 by 5. Look at minus 2 by question number 18 minus 2 by 3 a square b by 6 by 5 aq bq. First you have to multiply this one. Okay, first you have to multiply this one and then verify the result by putting the value a is equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Okay, so how you will do this? So first of all you have to be write the question. Here write minus 2 by 3 a square b multiply is there, so to write multiply sign into 6 by 5 aq b square, aq b square. Okay, equal sign. So the numeric number you have to be write side by side for multiplication. So you write in bracket minus 2 by 3 into 6 by 5 and then the variables. So a square multiply with aq, so write a square into aq multiply then b into b square. Okay, complete. Now give equal sign. Look at here 3 and 6 will be cancelled, so write 2. So 2 and minus 2 it will be minus 4 by 5 and here a square and a it will be aq and b and b square it will be bq. As you know that a square into a means a to the power 2 into a to the power 1, sorry, a square into aq, here it will be 1 minute, a square into aq. Okay, so a square into aq it will be a to the power 5 and b into b square means b to the power cube. So it minus 4 by 5 a to the power 5 BQ. Okay, as we know that from exponential law, that if the base are same, then power will be add. So here a square into AQ means a to the power 2 plus 3, that means a to the power 5, and b into b square means b to the power 1 into b square, that means b to the power 1 plus 2, that means BQ. So hence the result comes out minus 4 by 5 BQ. Okay, so now you have to verify that. So this one comes the result. So first just put, you have to write in LHS, verify when it is given. So to be write LHS which one? LHS this one, minus 2 by 3 a square b into 6 by 5 a cube b square. This is LHS. And RHS which one? Minus 4 by 5 a to the power 5 BQ. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So now first write the question. Minus 2 by 3 a square b minus 2 by 3 a square b into 6 by 5 a cube b square. Okay, just put the value. So write minus 2 by 3 into a means, you can see that here a means the value given 2. So write 2 square into b means given 3. So write 3 into, here write 6 by 5. AQ is there, so it will be, put the value 2 to the power cube into b square means 3 to the power square. Now, after putting the value, then what result comes out? Let's see. Together 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So minus 2 into 2 square means it will be minus 8, because 2 square means 4. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8 is there. Multiply here 6 by 5 into, you can see that 2q. 2q means 8 and 3 square means 9. Okay, so the result comes out here 5 will not be cutting to any upper side digits. So upper side is comes out 8 9 is 72 and 6 is 48. Okay, so it will be minus, the multiplication give result 3 4 5 6 by 5. This result comes out. Okay, now let's see the what type of result comes out from RHS. Now RHS the result comes out here minus 4 by 5, this one, minus 4 by 5 a5 BQ. So write it, minus 4 by 5 a to the power 5 BQ. So just put the value. So minus 4 by 5 AQ means the value of A is 2, that means 2Q. Sorry, AQ not, a to the power 5 is there. So write 2 to the power 5 into B5 means 3 to the power cube. BQ means 3 to the power cube. So now let's write it, minus 4 by 5 into 2 to the power 5 means 32 and 3 to the power cube means 27. Okay, so if you multiply the upper side, minus 4 into 32 into 27, then the result comes out. So if you multiply, then the result comes out the same as this one, 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 3 4, this minus sign is there, So it will be minus 3 4 5 6 by 5. Okay, that means LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so in this procedure you have to be solved. Okay, in this procedure, so what you have to do, first you have to multiply, then you get this result, then put the value of A and B in the left hand side, and then put the value in the right hand side, this one, and see that whether these are same or not. It will be same actually, it will be comes out same. So in this procedure, students, you have to be solved. Here question number 18 and 19. Clear? Next one, question number 20 and 21 both were same. Now I am going to show question number 20. Question number 20 tells that find the value of this one when A equal to 1 and B equal to this. So see that question number 20. First you have to write the question. 2.3 A5B square A5B square into 1.2 A square B square. Okay, when A equal to 1 and B equal to 0.5. So how we will do this? First you have to multiply 2.3 with 1.2, okay, and then multiply A5 into A square and B square into B square. Okay, in the same way, just students, what you have to do, first you have to multiply this one, then write here, then multiply this one, then write here, and then multiply this one, right here. Okay, you will get a result. After getting the result, you have to just put the value of A equal to 1 and B equal to 0.5. You will get the required result. Okay, so I hope that you can do it yourself. So today you have to be solved question number 14 to question number 21 carefully. So that's all for today. Thank you.